To fix the ARE7 error code on a higher DC inverter split air conditioner, it's essential to understand what this code means. The ARE7 display indicates a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units. Common causes of this error include faulty wiring connections between the units, a defective indoor or outdoor printed circuit board (PCB), or a power module failure. To resolve the issue, start by checking and repairing the wiring connections between the two units, ensuring they are securely connected and not reversed. If the wiring is not the problem, inspect the outdoor PCB's LED indicators. If LED 1 is off and LED 2 is on, the outdoor PCB is defective and needs replacement. If both LEDs are on, either the outdoor or indoor PCB is faulty, so replace one and then the other if the error persists. If both LEDs are off, the outdoor PCB or power module is faulty and requires replacement. By following these steps, the ARE7 error code should be resolved, restoring proper communication between the indoor and outdoor units.